Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and today we're doing this beautiful mauve glitter eyeshadow. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. It's probably gonna be something different in the title, but if I can't think of anything, that's probably what I'm gonna name it. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then please stay and watch. I'm gonna be using the LA Girls Eye Luxe Mesmerizing little quad palette, I guess you can say. This is in Sensualize. So I'm just gonna pick some of this shade. It's kind of like a tan. And I'm just gonna put that there. That will be easier to smooth out whichever color I put here. Number 7 from BH Cosmetics. So it probably comes in a set of brushes. And I'm gonna be using this kind of purplish shade and packing it onto my crease. I can see the light, Alright, and this is what I love about the brush. With the same brush, I can just blend out those edges. This is number 8 and it's from the same set from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna go in with this shade. It's kind of like a rose, like a dusty rose shade. So I did the other eye, and so now we're just gonna go ahead and cut our crease. Now we're gonna close the ends of the eyes. We're gonna go in with this mauve purple shade, and then we're gonna go also over with this mauve pink shade. So I don't have a pink shimmer on me at the moment, but there's this like a light white shimmer, and what I put beneath doesn't really matter as long as I just cover like the skin of my eye basically. So I'm just gonna go in with this light sparkly shade on top. I'm gonna put it on my lids, on my inner corner, and my brow bone. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add glitter. I'm using the NYX primer. This is glitter I got from Etsy. So it's kind of like a pink, but it's kind of like a taupey pink, which I think matches with this eye look. I didn't want to use this other pink I have, but I feel like this is way too bright compared to like what colors I have on. I feel like this one would go more, but you can tell they're both pink. I have the glue already, and I'm picking up some of that glitter. I fell. Sometimes I like it when I lose control. All right, that looks good. So now before I do anything else, I'm just gonna add a liner. Alright guys, so I already applied my lashes. I used my Fat Lash mascara, and I also used my Kiss Strip Lash adhesive. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. So I'm gonna use my LA Girl lip liner, and this is in Natural. This is AOA Studio, and this is in a shade Shore. Now I'm gonna go in with my setting mist. This is Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And I am running low, like there's literally no more on in here. Is it bad sometimes? I like it when I lose control. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I actually really like this mauve glittery look. It's like so pretty. It's so up my alley. I love pinks and purples. So yeah, let me know what do you think about my look down in the comments below. Please remember to like and subscribe. Alright, so I hope you have a great day. Bye guys.